Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm going to be making topiaries, and if you're interested in how this comes together, then I hope you keep watching. I'm going to be making topiaries out of the items that you see here. So we have planting styrofoam, Mod Podge, tiny styrofoam little beads, air dried clay, 6 skewer sticks. You could use wooden dowels. I'm just using everything that I already have. I wanted to try to do this without buying anything. 2 styrofoam balls, and then 2 of these little boxes from the Dollar Tree. They come with another little box that slides in here. I'm just using the outer box of those if you're familiar with these. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue the skewers together. Alright, now these skewers have been glued together. So one is going to be for this box and one for this one. I'm going to take these outside and I'm going to spray paint them black. I have this black spray paint that I used in some of my other projects. It has a little bit of a silver sparkle to it. So I'm going to spray both the sticks and the boxes with that. I'm going to be taking these clay pieces that I made and I'm going to spray paint them with this sunlit brass, the metallic color. So at this point the dowels are dry and so are the boxes. I marked here, this is where I'm going to cut this. These are a little too long, so I'm just going to cut both of them. First thing I'm going to do is put the foam in. Now I'm going to put the dowels in. And I'm going to glue the dowels in. Okay, now I have some of these left over from another project. And I have, of course, the clay that I rolled and spray painted, and I'm going to put that in the bottom of the boxes. So this is all I'm going to do for these. Now I'm going to work on the styrofoam pieces, and what I'm going to do for these, I'm just going to put one of these skewers into each one. And I'm going to pour these into the bowl. And set this to the side. And then I'm going to take this tacky glue, it's clear. I'm going to pour it into this little container just so I can have easy access to it. And I'm going to use this brush and just paint over the styrofoam ball until the glue is covered, and then I'll add that into here and just roll it around until all the little styrofoam pieces get stuck to it. So here they both are all done, and I'm just going to take them outside and spray paint them. So I had to redo something here. These are the original little styrofoam balls that I covered with the mini ones, and I spray painted them thinking that it would work well, but the spray paint ruined these. Kind of melted them down like it did with something else I recently did. I didn't think it would happen here, but it did. So I redid these and I made them this size now. I didn't have any more of this size. This is the size difference, and I just redid it. It's very simple, so not hard to redo this. And I'm just going to paint these by hand using this color paint. This is an acrylic paint in the color pewter. It's just a dark gray. So I have these two done, and there are a lot of spaces where you could still see in between. It needs a little more coverage, so I'm just gonna let these dry for a little while, and then I'm gonna do a second coat. And here they are. This is how they look after a second coat. And before I did the second coat, I did squeeze a few more of the little styrofoam pieces into some of the little holes or gaps that were there, and this is how it came out. So now I'm just going to remove these from these skewers and then bring these back in, and then just press this right onto these other dowels here. And now they're complete.